Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Did you know that anxiety affects over 264 million people globally? That's 1 in 5 adults. Yep, it's a big deal. But before you dive into the world of anti-anxiety meds, let me introduce you to a fragrant hero that might just change the game. Essential oils. Stick around because we're going to explore how these little bottles full of natural remedies could help you tackle anxiety. Ready to smell your way to calm? Let's go! Imagine essential oils as the ultimate plant-based superheroes, each with a special power. They're extracted from flowers, leaves, roots, and even peels, and packed into tiny bottles of magic. Think of them as nature's way of giving you a hug or a high five. From lavender's calming touch to peppermint's refreshing zing, these oils are like a botanical buffet for your senses. But how do they actually help with anxiety? Let's sniff out the science behind it. Alright, let's get a bit brainy. Your brain is like the most advanced computer ever made, and essential oils might just be the secret code to make it run smoother. Here's the scoop. Essential oils can interact with your brain's prefrontal cortex, which is like the CEO of your emotions and decision-making. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some science. Multiple studies have shown that essential oils can significantly reduce anxiety. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that lavender oil can effectively reduce symptoms of anxiety. And another research piece from the International Journal of Neuroscience highlighted how bergamot oil can help lower stress levels. These aren't just fragrance fantasies, they're backed by solid research. Here's where it gets really cool. Essential oils can also play nice with your hormone receptors. Hormones are like the office managers of your body, keeping everything in check. When you're stressed, your cortisol levels, your stress hormone, can go through the roof. Essential oils like ylang-ylang and frankincense can help balance these hormones, kind of like giving your hormone managers a little motivational pep talk. When cortisol levels drop, you feel more relaxed. It's like having a zen office environment where everyone's chill and productive. Do you love diffuser blends? Well, get excited because we're going to make 5 diffuser blends that'll help you keep your cool when life's got you feeling like you're in a pressure cooker. You'll probably want to save this one for later reference, because we could all use a little stress relief these days. Hey everyone, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you might miss out on more essential oil tips that could turn you into an aromatherapy wizard. Now let's get blending. First up is Calm Oasis. This blend is like a luxury spa day in a bottle without the hefty price tag. You'll need lavender, bergamot, and chamomile essential oils. Lavender is basically the VIP guest at any relaxation party. Bergamot adds a bit of zest, and chamomile makes everything feel like a cozy blanket. For this blend, drop 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of bergamot, and 2 drops of chamomile into your diffuser. It's like a vacation for your senses, minus the travel hassle. Next, let's talk about Serenity Citrus Burst. Think of this one as a sunshine smoothie for your soul. Grab some sweet orange essential oil, grapefruit essential oil, and a dash of ylang-ylang essential oil. Sweet orange and grapefruit are like the dynamic duo of mood boosting, while ylang-ylang keeps things chill. Drop 4 drops of sweet orange, 3 drops of grapefruit, and 1 drop of ylang-ylang into your diffuser, and let the citrus party begin. Moving on, we've got Forest Retreat. It's like bringing a woodland getaway right to your living room. You'll need cedarwood essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and Scotch pine essential oil. Cedarwood is the grounding, reliable friend, frankincense is the zen master, and pine adds that fresh forest vibe. Drop 3 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of Scotch pine into your diffuser. It's like you're on a forest retreat without the bugs and the sketchy bathroom situation. Win-win! By the way, I happen to be a huge fan of Virginia cedarwood. I highly suggest it for this diffuser blend if you can find it. Blend number 4 is Zen Garden. This one's all about bringing the serenity of a Japanese garden to your home. Use sandalwood essential oil, ylang-ylang essential oil, and a bit of juniper berry essential oil. Sandalwood is calming, ylang-ylang is soothing, and juniper berry adds a touch of freshness. Mix 3 drops of sandalwood, 2 drops of ylang-ylang, and 2 drops of juniper berry in your diffuser. It's like a peaceful stroll through a Zen garden, just what you need at the end of a stressful day. Hey, did you know that ylang-ylang essential oil is great for sleep? Yep, it's true. I even made a video about it. Check it out if you want tips on how to sleep better. And finally, let's whip up Tropical Calm. This blend will have you dreaming of a hammock in Hawaii. Combine Palo Santo essential oil, lime essential oil, and grapefruit essential oil. Palo Santo brings the driftwood scent of beachy vibes, lime adds a zesty kick, and grapefruit brings the warm sunshine. Drop 2 drops of Palo Santo, 2 drops of lime, and 4 drops of grapefruit into your diffuser. It's like a tropical vacation, without the sunburn or the sand in your shoes. If you're interested in learning more about Palo Santo essential oil and its many benefits, check out the video I made about it. You'll be surprised about this hidden gem. There you have it, 5 ultimate diffuser blends to help you kick anxiety to the curb and embrace your inner zen. Which blend are you excited to try first? What blends would you like to make next? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video made you feel a little more relaxed, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could use a little more chill in their lives. Aren't essential oils awesome? Happy blending, everyone! So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on natural beauty, essential oils, natural remedies, and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to watch more of our content.